And I am here with
I'm eating donuts.
I'm eating donuts and Demon Locket. We are here opening random packs. We just came back from Walmart. We're opening a bunch of packs. I was gonna get my brother in this and have him open Structure Deck Yugioh, but he didn't want to. So we're ready for this. So Demon Locket will be first.
I'm enraged.
I'm eating donuts will be second, and I will be last to open my packs.
I'll be opening 2 Fusion Enforcers and 2 Raging Tempests.
He has 1 Yugi tin and 1 Kaiba tin, and I just have a Kaiba tin.
And I have 4.
And once he opens his Kaiba tin, I can skip my promos.
I'm drinking tea.
I'm drinking tea. I'm eating donuts. I'm drinking tea. That is his full name.
It's hyphenated.
It's hyphenated. All right, let's open with Fusion Enforcers, and you know the deal that we have.
Yeah.
With our deal, I get all his Predator Plants and his Greedy Venom because he is to not touch the Fusion Dimension Dragon because that is mine. Ooh, a Trump Witch. He got that rarity bump Trump Witch. Ooh, Paradox
Make sure
Fusion.
the camera sees.
Baby! Dude, off the bat! Oh, baby!
Let me see that.
Oh, that is some... Oh! Oh!
Dang!
We got some shit! Holy shit! We got some shit right here, man! Okay, hold up. I gotta zoom in real quick. Boom!
Baby!
First fucking card. First goddamn pack he's opened ever. This came out yesterday morning.
And I'm pulling.
This pack came out yesterday morning.
Holy
That was lucky.
Now he needs to grab me a Predaplant. Battle Fusion. Ooh, that rarity bump engine. The other Predaplant Fusion monster! William!
They got the two
The two cards I wanted!
Greedy Venom Fusion
He pulled them
out of my first pack.
Where's the price pool at?
The prize pool?
It's under this phone.
That is
Yeah.
amazing.
3 cards so far.
Tyree is throwing in a Dino Mist, and Danny's throwing in his left testicle.
Dynamist Rex, and I'm assuming
We're gonna hold
that
him to
Debris.
that.
Just grab Debris Dragon. It's in his
was
second room.
amazing.
It's in Tyree's room. Just grab Debris Dragon.
He's gonna bring it over.
His stuff?
Now let's go.
Or his left testicle?
Danny's bringing his left testicle.
Both.
Tyree is playing.
Okay, hold up. Show your stuff.
So,
Ancient Gear. Pickles needs that.
unless-
Baby, you got me a Zodiac. You love me. You gave me a Zodiac. You love
Spiritual
me.
be, yeah, for...
Ritual Beasts?
God damn it, I already bought 2 of those.
Ha! Well, now there's your third one.
Ritual Beast Return.
You got the shitty
I got
side.
none of those actually.
Nonetheless,
You have the shitty side deck card now.
Right now, oh, by the way, they've been playing Duel Links. They had about 40 turns in. One hell of a stall deck.
By the
both
way,
of them had.
off to the side, he's opening his deck. That's one that doesn't have the slit. You just gotta open it.
Except you have to agree, that is the
Can you get a symphonic? Is that regular or Neo?
No, Neo.
Oh well, you
Ooh.
gotta
Actually, I'm keeping
Zodiac. I don't care for that. I want the Zodiac. And this the new Super Soldier thing.
This is a performance
BLS.
pile deck.
It is.
What the fuck?
It's structured at
It's good.
Yu-Gi-Oh!
And audio.
Yes. The other skill.
Yeah, he's got skill 1 and 7 now.
Yay.
Motherfucker, 90% of this shit is fucking pendulums.
It is, but it also, if you read them, they search non-pendulums and pendulum monsters.
I don't think I'll take too long.
Yeah.
He's got 2 Megatins to open and Zodiac's sign. Okay, now I just need the actual, like, legitimately good
That-
secret rare.
That was amazing.
That was the best!
Fusion Enforcers.
I'm going to try to one-up you guys.
Okay,
Try being a...
what you need to one-up this is 2 Solemn Strikes.
I need to channel this.
You need double Solemn Strikes. Okay, now, hold on, let's review the high rarities. First, we gotta review. These are involved in it.
That was beautiful.
Let's grab all
Are the
your...
Rip Beasts involved?
Is Casey still on the phone?
no.
High rarities.
Oh, here's another Spiritual Beast return.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That was amazing.
Arc Fiend, you son of a... You dick-teasing fucker.
That's the best 2 packs.
Arc Fiend. It is literally 2 letters away
yeah,
from being a goddamn Archfiend.
Just so that was my first
could
2
be good in
packs,
Gemini.
and I pull it.
What's it
Somewhat.
do?
It normal summons some normal monster thing or
That-
something.
You
Some
have
crap.
to admit,
I know.
my first 2 packs and my
This card
life
inflicts
has
battle damage to your opponent. You can special summon 1 normal monster from your hand or graveyard.
Okay, that actually helps only from the graveyard because because they're not normal monsters in.
My
Okay.
first 2 packs of Fusion Enforcers, that was
To
amazing.
review the rare cards. Hold on, I gotta. Okay, we're back. Here's the rarities for the supers. We have 1 Neo Galaxy Eyes, double Trump Witch. Shit, we dropped something.
Branch.
1 branch.
Paradox Fusion.
A Paradox Fusion, which is actually really good if you run a.
Mark of the Rose.
Hold up, you're sliding over your commons.
No one cares about the comments right now.
Battle Fusion,
Polymerization. Agent Saber.
which he's definitely keeping.
Yeah, I'm keeping that.
Zodiac, the good, like the high attacking monster.
I think I should run Zodiac.
Now,
I'm building Zodiacs actually, pure
first
Zodiacs. For the first pack, Greedy Venom Fusion Dragon and Predaplant, that thing.
That's crazy.
Chimera Rafflesia.
My first 2 packs of Fusion Enforcers, and I pull a Greedy Venom.
That was awesome. Now, out of that set, I now need the Envoy of Time. Alright, let's begin the next pack opening. Move over. I'm going to move over there.
Holy.
I can do it from here.
It's them seeing it. It's angle. Them seeing it at an angle. Just twist around the card. Here, you can actually sit here. If you can try sitting here.
Can I be cruel?
Like, kind of just
If
standing
you look
here.
at this video,
How about this?
I beat y'all on the Fusion Enforcer opening. My first 2 packs of
Daniel.
them.
Yeah, seriously, YouTubers, he beat you.
Daniel, take your chair
Indefinitely.
with you and move it over here. So
Yeah, we're
right
just going to
behind
move
us.
chairs around. I'm going to stay where I am because...
YouTubers? Yeah, y'all
Don't
can...
worry, Will, I'm moving it back.
You need to open double Solemn Strike, single Twin Twister at least to beat this.
Alright. Hello, camera.
Hello, YouTube.
Those 2 also.
Okay, so first, start with the promo. One of these is a prize card for
This
a
is
tournament
the
that we're
Slifer?
about to be doing.
Dark Magician.
It's got Slifer, obviously.
Ebonhigh Magician. DDD Flame King. Genghis. Blah and blah.
I'm going to need that blah, so I will trade you my Alexander for that blah.
Next is the other Tim's cards.
And that will help William if you're willing to
Obelisk.
give that to him.
Blue Eyes. Blue Eyes. Alexander. Aether.
And I'm going to need
Ghost Ogre
another
and Snow
Aether.
Rabbit.
No, he's keeping that,
I
and
think
I
I'm
need
gonna keep
Aether.
this actually.
I need these 2, because I'm running Empowered Warriors and Empowered Dragons.
Take them.
Yay!
You can take it.
Actually, no, that's for Will. William needs it more.
Are you sure?
He has none.
How many of
He
those
has
do you
2.
have? Alright, you.
William has none.
Sure.
That's fine. You
wanna
can place
keep
that
this.
common one in your deck.
I kind of want to keep this actually.
You can keep that, because that's
You
actually
can
really
keep
nice
that.
artwork. All the blue eyes, and I will give you my Alexander.
Why?
Because you need it as well. And I've got Crystal Wing to replace mine. William!
That was the most beautiful pack of Fusion Enforcers.
For your Performa pals now. Pendulum Sorcerer. But it will add 2 Pendulum monsters from the back of your hand. By popping 2. Sure.
These are actually useful.
Where is it?
Did you pause the camera?
There is no.
Good job.
It's still
Real
going.
professional stuff.
Here you go.
Alright,
Dude, you're kind of the one doing this.
I'm going ahead with the first Mega Tin pack.
Alright, let's...
Top card, Extinction on Schedule. Can they read it or do it? Is it flipped or-
no, hold up.
Is it flipped?
There we go. It's good.
No, is the camera
Oh,
flipped?
no. My camera
worry
doesn't
about
do that.
Extinction of Schedule. Spring Goose. Performance Hurricane. Silver Claw.
That thing.
Dark Magician.
Raikiri the Rain Shower. Ultimate fucking Providence! That's one of the greatest counter traps in the game.
Sweet.
Okay, I think he's got you on the ropes, Daniel. He opened Ultimate fucking Providence. These are a bunch of commons, no one cares. Just read off the commons and put them in a pile. You got
Did I read off good enough? I
Okay,
didn't read off
just
at all.
we'll read off the supers, ultras, and shit later. Like that's the end of the video stuff. You can organize them if you want
Who runs
to.
Trap Tricks?
That guy.
I don't want those.
He wants your trap tricks. He'll trade
Although
you
I do
Naked.
have a larger chance to pull off something better than him seeing how I have
You can
two
get-
Megatins and they have more cards with 1 tin.
Yeah.
Super
Oh
Soldier
my
Rebirth.
gosh! Back up.
That.
Someone commented.
The first top 4 are freaking traps. That's a good sign. Spectre Unicorn. This
Did you just
good?
get a bunch of Odd Eyes Rebellion! You got his!
Hey, I got Odd Eyes Rebellion.
Okay, so
Did I win?
yeah, actually, you just won.
Second time Melody of Awakened Dragon.
You definitely won. There is
This is
zero
good.
chance. You got this. You won. Like holy shit! You got the trifecta.
Twilight Ninja following.
Okay,
The
just
Arrow
put
Mage.
this. Put this in there. Are you gonna trade him the trap trick shit for that?
Maybe.
Maybe.
If you do, that.
That thing
cool
is
with
yours
that.
in a heartbeat.
Yes, it will be.
As a matter of fact, he's gonna add Kuren in there.
Sure.
He's gonna add Kuren into your shit.
I'm also gonna. No.
That's a good pendulum card. Like for your deck, that's really good.
Next
We're gonna have
Megaton.
Milo Pony in the background.
Yay!
I'm cool with that.
Oh yeah, hold up. Why are these over here?
Doofy Dark Contract with Swamp King.
Oh, cool.
Dark Doriado. Humid Winds. Bad Luck Blast.
Despot 7.
7.
When he stops running Despots.
Clement.
You got another one of the good Magispectors.
Painful.
You got fucking painful. You got a DD you need.
Yeah.
You got a double D you need. Also,
Everything else is just some.
if I can get Kali Yuga, I will trade you for Painful Choice. If I can get Kali Yuga out of my shit.
Then get it out of your crowd.
Yes, that's-
okay.
not
I
yet.
get,
If you can
with
get
that.
if you can get a clear wing,
It's mine. It's mine. I'm sorry. I'm keeping it because Clearwing's a badass.
If I get a clear wing, I'm probably going to keep it. But seeing how I've got doubles, if I get 2, I will trade 1 off.
If I get a Clearwing though, I might trade it to him because he's gonna need it for his double Ds because it's actually really good in double Ds. What the
I
fuck
might
are you
not put
doing?
it in-
Are you
I'm
not?
just going to create a big pile and then organize it afterwards.
Okay, because we got.
Where did
well,
these come from?
Those are the new pack. That's the new pack.
Oh. You're going to lose your mind.
I want
I
it.
just saw one of the cards.
I want it.
Soul
It's,
Horns, Yada, Blackwing, Half Unbreak, Ignite, Solo, Performer Pal, Ignite Templar,
You
another Odd Eyes Rebellion.
2 cards I want. These 2.
Venomous Rex, Dark Contract with Error. I'm gonna have to trade both of you for those 2
I want
because
these.
apparently
I don't
they're
care.
really freaking hard to come by.
They
you guys are losing.
these
it.
are kind of quote unquote bad, but they're actually really nice. Like if you can pull them off, it's
Trap
fun
Tricks,
as shit.
I love you, but I want I want Odd Eyes Rebellion more.
So you're gonna help me out and give him all your trap tricks so we can. Bam! You getting
For
all
2
the
of them?
For yeah, because he's got a lot of trap tricks. That's
And a lot of
that's
them-
literally his entire plant deck, pretty much.
There you go.
All the synergy in his plant deck goes away.
Go for the mark.
And then I can replace them for other
Isn't
plants.
isn't this Zorro?
Yeah, that's the joke. He's
Contract change.
You said
Yeah.
something about Mark of
It-
the Rose one day.
Raid Raptor, Help Princess. Mage
another
Spectre,
Magispector good card. The
Jar of
original
Avarice.
Twin Twister.
I think I beat you.
I
Maybe.
think you fucking overshot him.
Just a bit. And then bullcrap. Fluffle.
I
Thanks.
already have 4 of those. I don't need any more.
By the way, Daniel, thanks for covering me for the Odd Eyes Rebellion.
No
I
problem.
think I've actually made up all of the money that I spent on these.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's the stuff for the
I still got one more.
yeah.
What, all
There's all this
$300?
stuff.
Shut up, that's different.
Actually, it was only 87 bucks. 87.50 to be exact for everything we got, including the sodas and snacks.
Wizard Buster the Dragon Sword. Good job.
Are you
Tam
sure you-
Tam, love that. I got a
You got a ritual.
Sphere Karibo.
It's adorable.
Super Soldier.
Scarlet.
Scarlight Red Dragon Arch.
Mine. I told Fluffle I wouldn't mind.
What you need, Sheldon?
I need this for my Red Dragon Archfiend. For my red deck.
Sheldon.
Alright, so gather up everything.
Gather up all the hollows. Come here, little one. Promos you do not count in this. Okay, kind of you do.
And
Yeah.
all of you covet and grab your decks for later. Hang on.
Okay,
Dude.
now I will pause for you to organize.
You know,
Here's his hollows.
I'm sorry, but I am keeping Trap Trick Trap Hole Night.
BLS Super Soldier. Scarlet Red Dragon of Art. Red Dragon Archfiend. Fluffle Mouse. Dark Magician. One Rebellion Dragon. Oblivion King. Bunbuku. Melody of Awakening Dragon. Spectral Sword.
By the way, you guys can see
Ghost
the mess
Ogre.
now. Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit.
This, that. This, if you're watching this,
You know what
you're
these
either
are.
12 or you know what's happening. There for all you OCD people to lose your minds.
Cards I
Are
want.
these some of mine or
No,
yours?
those are his. No, those are yours.
More shiny!
And you should have one C. Oh, no, wait. That's the one that had Autos really in it. Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, bro. He has a Raikiri the Rain Shower.
Jesus. It's a Blackwing.
Oh fuck.
Yeah. I might also get a Raikiri the Rain Shower.
Okay.
All right.
Taking over
This one
this
mine.
seat because I'm working on our roster.
Okay. Well, I'm going to be taking over Pickle's seat. Pickles, you can take over my seat.
My tea over there? If so, don't worry.
Yeah, it's right over there.
I just wanted to know.
Okay, so pick up
Is
all
it
your...
paused?
This is the prize card?
Oh goodness, who do I go against?
going.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's not possible.
You know these.
Oh,
they're
you
promos.
gotta be fucking
Those are
kidding
the same
me.
promos from the Kaiba time.
Let's do this. Let's do this shit. Alright. First card is Despot 8. Mistaken Accusion. That thing I can't pronounce. Cybernetic Fusion Zone.
A guy on the sea
Okay.
Castra.
Hold, hold up, we're recording.
One moment, Will.
I got what I needed! I got another thing I needed! I got another thing I needed! Janchi, Odd-Eyes Vortex, and fucking Ignite Reload, and a Marksman for you if you want to run it.
Yeah, no, recording.
And, another card I need. Cards that no one cares about, but these are definitely going in my rare pile. Yeah, that's for you, Daniel.
Hey Gold, you're getting your wish today.
What? I'm fighting you? Round one? Yeah!
Okay,
Feel my face.
here it is. Daniel versus Tyree. Matt versus Danny. Me versus Seth, and Casey versus Pickles.
Danny can still.
No, it's little box. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, but leave them up for battle for later.
Sorry, YouTube. Seth doesn't know how to camera.
The next bracket we
Shigi-nan.
do will be
This
Bill
thing.
Dex.
I don't care about
when
it.
is,
Harmonic Oscillation.
We're gonna wait for them to do all that.
Leave up for battle for later, my friend.
Tempest. A Beginning Night. A Clearwing Synchro Dragon. A Blackluster Soldier. Super Soldier. Timebreaker Magician. Ignite Cavalier. That, and that.
The clear wing.
This might be for the shit. Definitely.
For the what?
For the shit that you gave me.
Hang on. What poop? That one doesn't count. That first one. Here.
These. Because Clearwing can stop all of them, except for one that doesn't really do
I don't
it.
know. The Scarlet Red Dragon Archfiend.
Seriously, man, that's like the most excited card I got out of that
Nah,
shit.
you can have it.
Yes.
Trade.
Sweet handshake, bro. Shake
And I
my.
got this card that I've never been able
Hold
to
on,
get.
hold on. I need that for the review.
Do you,
Need that for the review though.
do you mind if I get the Fluffle mouth?
Oh, duh.
Please take it.
No, I want to run Fluffles. I did run Fluffles on DevPro.
They are not his style. Where
Fluffle
are my?
Mouse is freaking awesome, though. He's the cutest and best card.
All right,
in my
next,
opinion.
especially with the Wolf Okito.
Really? I didn't
And
know
it
there
just
was
looks
one.
so adorable. He's holding a little chocolate donut.
He attacks equal to the number of
I
cards
like how
he
he can't
uses
eat
for
it,
each
but he's
trigger.
just... Donut!
Phantom Griffin, most useless fucking tuner mon. It's not even a tuner. I hate him. Kaiju card. Please give me fucking Twin Twister.
Ooh, does anybody have a Kaiju deck?
No, Evening Twilight Night. For fucking Tyree, bitch.
Oh.
And for Will. Tyree has a deck that can summon this consistently, aka Dynamists. Machine. Yeah. I already ruined Tyree's deck on it.
Oh, I handed it back to you. I'm freaking losing it.
If I pulled two, I would be magic, and you would all have to praise me. All of you, because then you and you would be getting up. I need to review. I need to review the rares.
That was... Well,
But
your
yeah,
brother's awake.
pause.
That is no question.
Pause.
Oh, okay.
Okay, first, Beginning Night. Second, Twilight Night. Third, Jian K. That covers the supers. Magispector Tornado, which if you're wanting to build Magispectors, here you go. I don't need it. Ignite Reload. Blacklist Soldier Super Soldier, which I really didn't need because I already have 3 of in my Blacklist Soldier Super Soldier deck. Which is why I grabbed that one normal, like that one common card from you.
Actually, what else do you have in your plant deck?
Odd-Eyes Vortex. Cyber Dragon Infinity. Clearwing Secret
number
Dragon.
87. I have a number 87. I am not.
He
giving it
don't fuck with his extra deck. That's kind of some of his precious shit.
I'm just reading.
Here you go. We're good to stop the video. We hope you guys enjoyed this. Goodbye.